Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and here we are yet again with another recap of what happened in the XAUUSD trading strategy for today. Because it's been one of those crazy days again, and after last week's gap, we are still going strong. So I cannot wait to show you guys what happened. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and here we are yet again, like I mentioned in the intro, we are going to break down and study today's XAUUSD trading strategies for today, because we had one of those crazy days again, some unusual hours, but they really proven us to be really powerful, really strong trends, and something that we've all been looking for, especially after last week's gap. Now, what we really need to look at is definitely happening in today's market, and I'm so excited to see it. So I really need to show you this crazy chart that I'm looking at right now, because it's been insane. Now, let's get on it. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the chart that I'm showing on the screen right now, and this is just a snippet of today's XAUUSD trading strategy, which is exactly what we are here for, to investigate and to break down into understanding what happened in today's market. And we are so lucky to have this amazing trend that we are looking at. And again, this happened at some unusual hours that we are so used to it by now. If you've been following me on this channel, you've probably already know that the XAUUSD trading strategies have been insane for the past weeks, and mostly because of what's happening in the world right now, and you know where I'm going with this. But this has basically made the XAUUSD trading strategies to fluctuate so much, and with the volatility go so crazy, that all Forex traders have been on this trend, on this market. Even if you are just looking at this chart right now, you would know that this is looking absolutely insane, and it's one of the best XAUUSD strategies that we have seen in the past few weeks. So I'm really excited to get into the details and show you guys exactly what happened here. Now, as you guys already know, I'm not using your traditional candlestick chart that is used and abused by every Forex trader on this planet. I'm using something a lot more special, a lot more powerful, that helps me take decisions, informed decisions at that, which I can base myself and I can count on. And this is making the whole difference in my trading experience, and definitely for the XAUUSD trading strategies. Because as you all know, gold is one of those tricky markets that is very uneasy to trade in. Because when you are applying your XAUUSD trading strategies, you need to be really careful at what you're doing. You can get stinged like really fast if you don't know what you're doing, or if you're new to the XAUUSD trading strategies market. It's really easy to get stinged. But hey, with the right knowledge and the right tools, it's definitely something that you can bypass, and you can confidently and simply take these informed decisions and make your life a lot easier. Because this momentum trading indicator, this has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the XAUUSD trading strategies and any kind of charts. And this is exactly what everyone's been looking for, right? A really simple tool, straightforward, that can help you take decisions based on the calculations made scientifically behind the scenes, so you don't have to look at a bunch of squiggly lines out of which no one understands what they need to do. Like, obviously we all know those squiggly charts with like loads of lines all over the place, with like trends, if you can call them so, up and down, that it's just, you can't base your decisions on that because it's not clear what is happening there. Like, without a trained eye with like a lot of experience, you would never be able to tell what exactly is hiding behind that chart. And that's perfectly normal, because that's not normal to look at. However, on contrast, you are looking at this incredible indicator that is really good and built and designed to predict the direction of the market, which is exactly what you need when taking any kind of trends, right? A really good, powerful, and informative tool, in your face kind of data that is just really good at taking informed decisions in your day-to-day trading strategies. Now, back to the XAUUSD trading strategies and how has this been affected, or better said, presented by this momentum trading indicator that I'm showing on the screen right now of a continuous, really powerful trend in the XAUUSD strategies. And the actual potential that hides behind this chart is mind-blowing. But we're gonna get into those details in a sec. Okay, so we are back with the actual details of today's snapshot of the XAUUSD trading strategies, and I have to give you the deeds. Now, like I mentioned, just around 2 o'clock in the morning, that's where the momentum trading indicator has notified me of the starting point of the trend change in the XAUUSD trading strategies market, and that's where the actual trend has started to go heavily down until just around 11 o'clock or 10 to 11 in the morning. And that's where the momentum trading indicator again has indicated another starting point of a trend change in the XAUUSD trading strategies, and that's where the trend has started to go up and the gold has started to rise again. Now, just between these two different points, we have a crazy potential lying behind of them that is not maybe noticeable at first or for the unformed eye, especially if you don't have any experience in the XAUUSD trading strategies. This is definitely something that you need to know how to look out for in order to find it. And boy, if you found it, you'd be in a really, really good situation. Now, between these 2 points, if we were just to consider the potential of this trade, we would be looking at an entry point of roughly 1956 as a price point and an exit point of roughly just around 1924. And that, boys and girls, leaves us with 32 points. And points are not pips. And in order to calculate your pips based on your points is just a really straightforward method. You just need to take the number of points that you have, multiply it with 100, and there you go. You have your pips. If we take that logic and apply it into our situation, we would have 32 points times 100, and guys, we would be looking at a potential of 3,200 pips. 3,200 pips in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today's market into one trend. Just one. A really powerful one, a really strong and bold one, but that was just one trend. And if that's not mind-blowing, I don't know what is. But again, like I mentioned previously in the previous videos as well, it's been crazy, absolutely insane for the XAUUSD trading strategies this past month. It's been insane, and the actual total potential of last month is life-changing. Like I said, mind-blowing. Okay guys, so that was it in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it informative and really useful into tips and tricks on how to treat and how to trade in the XAUUSD trading strategies and the gold market in general, because it's a tricky market to play with, especially if you don't know what you're doing, and the momentum trading indicator is making a night and day difference in your trading skills and your trading life in general. It's been an absolutely insane journey in the XAUUSD trading strategies for the past month, but definitely the momentum trading indicator is making it a lot easier to understand and to digest the information and to make informed decisions based on it. So yeah. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.